Hit subscribe now, share and like. Travel is all about the moments, the feeling of the sun on your skin at a new beach, the buzz of a crowded city street you've never walked before, the quiet awe of a mountain sunrise. These moments are precious, and they deserve to be captured in a way that does them justice. You want to look back at your photos and feel that same magic all over again. This guide is here to help you do exactly that. We're going to break down simple, powerful tips that take your photos from just okay to incredible, making your Instagram feed truly reflect your adventures. You don't need a $1,000 camera. The secret isn't in the gear, it's in the eye and in the plan. A great photo can happen in a split second, but it starts with knowing what to look for. In the next few minutes, we'll cover light, composition, timing, posing, and quick edits. Light is everything in photography. It's the paintbrush that colors your scene, and learning to use it is the most important skill you can develop. The best, most flattering light happens during golden hour, right after sunrise and right before sunset. The light is soft, warm, golden. It smooths skin, deepens colors, and casts long, beautiful shadows. Wake a little earlier, or stay a little later. Worth it. Midday sun is high and harsh, creating strong, unflattering shadows, especially on faces. Find open shade, under a large tree, beneath an awning, or in a building's shadow, for soft, even light on portraits and detail shots. Use backlight. Place your subject between you and the sun. It's tricky, but the glowing rim around hair and shoulders is worth it. Tap to expose for your subject so they're bright while you keep the glow. Play with it. The ethereal effect is real. Experiment with light direction. Side light reveals texture and sculpts form, amazing for landscapes and architecture. When you arrive, observe. Where's the light coming from? How is it hitting buildings, trees, and people? Is it hard or soft, warm or cool? Think about light first, and you're already halfway to a compelling professional photo. Light is your most powerful tool. See it, chase it, use it. Once you've found your light, compose your shot. Start with the rule of thirds. Don't center everything. Place your subject along a line or at an intersection point for balance and energy. Turn on your camera grid. It's a built-in guide to better composition. Avoid horizons, dead center. Use top or bottom third. More sky if it's dramatic, more foreground if it tells the story. Find leading lines, roads, paths, fences, rivers, or building edges, starting near a bottom corner and guiding inward. This creates depth and pulls your viewer into the scene. Use frames within frames, archways, doorways, windows, branches, to isolate your subject and add context. Layers add place and intimacy. Once you start looking, you'll see frames and lines everywhere. Simple tools, big impact, storytelling through composition. Let them guide every shot. Up next, perspectives that pop. Your feet are your best zoom. In the age of digital zoom, it's tempting to pinch and zoom. Pro tip: move your feet, not your thumb. Digital zoom just crops and enlarges, killing detail. Walking closer preserves quality and helps you engage with your environment. You'll find better compositions along the way. Go low for drama. People, statues, tall buildings look grand and heroic. Foregrounds like flowers or cobblestones add depth. Don't fear dirty knees. Find a high angle to show scale and patterns, markets, coastlines, and it's flattering for portraits too. Move forward, back, up, down, and side to side. 2 steps can remove a trash can or a sign growing from someone's head. Small shifts change light and align elements more pleasingly. Before you shoot, scan the frame and ask, if I move a little, can I make this even better? Your feet are your best zoom. Capturing people should feel natural, not staged. Skip the stiff, say cheese. Give simple actions instead. Walk toward you, look over their shoulder, adjust a hat, gaze at the view. Small movements create candidness. For groups, interaction is your best friend. Laugh, walk, hand in hand. Point something out. For solos, use props. They relax hands and make moments feel real. Body language matters. Shift weight for an S-curve. Keep hands loose. Run fingers through hair. Lightly touch a collar. Direct from behind the camera. Don't say, "Don't look so stiff." Say, "Great, now look at that mountain." Positive builds confidence. Keep it light and fun. Best shots happen between poses. A real laugh or quick glance away. Capture personality, not just likeness. A great travel photo tells a story. Add a human or motion to make it relatable. Look for bustle, graceful movement, or the power of waves. These turn snapshots into living moments. To capture motion, use slow shutter or your phone's long exposure live mode. Moving things blur, static stays sharp. Use a tripod for stability on longer exposures. Water flows silky, car lights paint trails. To freeze motion, use fast shutter. On phones, hold for burst, and pick the perfect frame. That single chosen frame is your secret weapon for high-energy moments. Don't forget the small details, they add richness and context. Mix close-ups with wider scenes for a fuller, more engaging travel story. Editing brings your photo to life, but keep it simple. Enhance what's there, don't make it fake. Most good photos need minor tweaks. Lift brightness if it's dark, add a touch of contrast for punch, a hint of saturation for pop. Crop is powerful and underrated. Fix thirds and trim distractions on frame edges. Straight and crooked horizons. Small fix, huge pro look. With filters, less is more. Heavy looks dated. Dial intensity down or build a subtle style. Aim for consistency. 1 or 2 filters, or similar brightness, contrast, and warmth across your feed. Keep it real. Watch skin tones and skies. If you go too far, dial it back a little. Snapseed and Adobe Lightroom. Mobile lets you make subtle, impactful changes that enhance natural beauty. Edit to match how you remember the scene, not a cartoon. Small, simple edits. Big results. As we chase the perfect shot, remember we're guests. A great photo is never worth disrespecting a culture or place. Be aware and respectful. Temples, churches, sacred spaces may restrict photos or flash. Follow rules. Ask before photographing people. If they say no, move on. If yes, show them the shot. Share the moment. No photo is worth risking your life. Watch footing. Stay on trails. Don't climb fragile structures. Secure your phone or camera and stay present to your surroundings. Leave a place better than you found it. Capture beauty without harming it. Great travel photographers carry wonder and responsibility. So there you have it, a toolkit of simple, powerful tips to elevate your travel photography. Find magical light, compose with intention, move your feet, direct natural poses, capture motion and life, edit simply, respect people and place, practice 1 or 2 tips a day. 1 tips a day. Soon they'll be second nature. Notice light, lines, and stories, whether in your city, your park, or at home. Have fun, that's what it's all about. What travel photo tip are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe.